I'm still full of adrenaline. I could fill it in bottles again. So this game was just amazing. It was outstanding, unbelievable. The boys played their whole heart on the pitch. I'm not sure if the right saying, but it's just that they were, with each part of their body, they were in that game. The goal Mo scored, what a goal, unbelievable. And the save Ali made, I have no words for that. So that was, of course, a lifesaver tonight. And I'm really proud of what the boys did tonight. We wait for the draw, no problem with that. Until 7:55 tonight, I was really not sure that we will be in the draw still, and now we are in it. And how could I sit here and ask for any team? I don't care. So we are second in the group, so we will have an outstanding, strong opponent. That's it.